Hello, this video is brought to you by Shiraku Co. In this video, we will explain how to use Grasshopper, which enables architectural design firms and architecture students to quickly study freeform stair shapes. Usually, in the early stages of designing, you may have many opportunities to redraw lines by hand many times for all the walls and floors. It is time-consuming to redraw even a straight wall by hand many times, especially in the case of designing a staircase, since it is necessary to consider both the plane and the cross-section at the same time. And if you want to design a beautiful staircase with free curvilinear shapes, the burden can be quite heavy. Depending on the project, the amount of space available for the staircase and the amount of time available for design may be too short to reach a satisfactory level. Therefore, in this video, I would like to show you how to create a simple staircase like this one by simply inputting a single curve drawn in Rhinoceros. By subtracting one of these curves, it becomes possible to automatically examine whether it is possible to transform the staircase into a different shape and see the result, or to change the height of the floor and see how far this curve can be used to make the staircase viable. By understanding the flow of creating a simple staircase shape like this, and knowing how to build a grasshopper that can be used in various projects, you can easily study the shape of a staircase and increase the number of rotations of the study. Please stay with us until the end. This work can be divided into 5 phases. Let us explain them in order.